Hi everybody. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this final one right here, the Unit 4 Desert Landscape. And the emphasis or the focal point is obviously the bright colors and then the Zentangles or the black and white pattern. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick. All right, I really like this one, but I really like this one. I think this would be a really good one. Or I'll do a mix. So first thing I'm going to do is I've already picked something I want to do. I think I'm going to do this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw my foreground. Okay, here's my foreground. Then I'm going to okay. Let me just erase this a little bit. I made it too much of a teardrop. Okay. All right. Let me scoot this over so you guys can see. I'm doing this one. All right, and then I'm gonna just build. This is a prickly pear cactus. One of my other students told me that they ate one from their house in St. George. It was growing on their property down there. And that it tastes like a pomegranate and a pear mixed together. I was like, all right. So I'm kind of curious as to why. So I'm actually gonna do this. Okay. It might be easier for you guys to draw like the lines first. Okay. And then you can always go back and erase them if you want. And just have a basic line. Because I'm going to go back over this with pen, so it doesn't really matter. All right, so we're going to just do that real quick and see how it kind of meets up in the center like that. And then I'm going to follow like these lines. I'm going to turn my paper a little bit. My circles don't have to be perfect, you guys. Just good enough to get it going. And then I'm going to turn my little cacti a little bit. Because remember, it's growing out of the ground, so I gotta put a little line for the ground. That's gonna be like my little center point, okay? Looks like a strawberry. Then I gotta turn it upside down when I go like this because I'm right-handed. And it's easier for me to follow the line in the form. See? Overlap that or crop it off. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. Yeah, it should actually be more like that. I'm gonna turn my little lines. Again, I gotta do it upside down. Okay. There we go. Something like that, you guys. All right, that one's done. Now, because I'm focusing, if you notice, I'm focusing on a tall one, I decided to go portrait, okay? So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna overlap. Because again, you guys, if you don't know what to do, you are more than welcome to to copy this. It's not a big deal to me. I'm looking to see that you can copy or create a Zentangle or a pattern, okay? All right, now I gotta fatten that guy up at the bottom. We're gonna, see? And then I'm going to erase that horizon line. Because again, this is overlapping the horizon line, so this shows that it's closer to me. Okay. I guess this is called a Seguro cactus. So I'm just going to do the basic lines because the prickly pear, or not the prickly pear, but the spines that you see right there, I'm going to do that with a pen. I'm just going to get my basic lines. You can see how it all kind of meets at the point at the bottom. All converges into one point, and again, I'm gonna, okay, and so that looks good, but I feel like I need something here, so I could repeat this. I could put another little one behind it, an aloe vera plant behind it, or I think I might put that one. It might compete with this. I think I'm gonna do a round one. So I'm gonna go like that. Okay, and again I'm gonna go and I'm gonna erase all my lines. So being overlapped, cropped off behind the Seguro, so it's kind of behind it. I'm going to just draw my lines because again with my pen you will see me do the details. Okay, and that's right there, the inside. If you look closely, it's all like details inside, okay? So I'll do that one later. And I'm gonna kind of make it similar to this. So it's like pumpkins. All right, so I feel like that's enough. And so now I'm going to, oh, I feel like something needs to be back here. Maybe I'll just add a mountain. Okay, just like in the distance. No big deal. And then we'll just put little and then maybe another little one. Okay. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to put that off into the distance for you. And I feel like, there, make that a cliff. Maybe I'll even make it an arch. There we go. And then, because there's another mountain, I'll go something like that. I'll figure it out. But I feel like that's good, and it's bottom heavy so that when I go to do the design up there, it's gonna look good.